everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine. So I always start with washing my face, of course. I really love this Pacifica Seafoam face wash. I got my sister started on it and I also got my mom started on it. It is just so amazing. I totally recommend. And then I also already applied this Bioma moisturizer, but that has just been the moisturizer I have been using lately. So I'm just going to put my hair up with this little scrunchie here. I'm not trying to make it look good. I just want my hair out of my face. So every morning when I wake up, I like to apply some sort of clear moisturizing lip oil or lip balm. So today I'm using this watermelon Fruit Luca lip oil. It's super moisturizing. Next, I'm going to use this vitamin C eye serum. I just put it under my eyes. I really don't think it does anything, but just in case it does, I like to use it because I always have like dark under eyes, and I've been trying a lot of things to get rid of them, but at the very least they moisturize them, so at least there's that. I'm trying out this Tula filter primer for the very first time, so I'll let you know how it is. I'm really confused with this packaging. It's like not coming out. Next, I have my Maybelline BB cream, and I'm going to be mixing in some of this Physicians Formula liquid bronzer, just like 1 or 2 drops. So I'll just mix those two together. I don't use a brush or a sponge or anything to apply it. I just like spreading it out with my fingers. I really like BB cream because it doesn't like cover up my face completely. I just don't really like foundation because I still want to be able to see like my actual skin. So yeah, I usually go with BB cream or CC cream. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer. I really like mixing concealers, so today I'm going to use this NYX concealer and then mix it with this AOA concealer. It's really hard not to make a weird face whenever I apply like a concealer or a mascara. Like, I don't know, for some reason it helps. I'm going to do some spot concealing with this little stick concealer. Again, another AOA product. So just covering up any blemishes or like red spots. I'm going to be using this NYX Wonder Stick next and just use the contour side, and I will use the highlighter side later. So I just contour my cheekbones, kind of my forehead area, and then a little bit on my nose. I'm not really good at contouring my nose, and I'm kind of new to contouring as well, so I'm definitely beginner. I try not to use too much because I'm just afraid, like, I don't want my face to look dirty, so I do a pretty light contour. And yes, this time I am using a blending sponge for this. Next, I'm going to use my e.l.f. multi-stick. I only use this one for blush, but you can also use it for like eyeshadow and lip gloss, I think. So I absolutely love this blush stick. I try not to get like too close to my nose because I don't want it to look like I have a sunburn or anything. But I also don't go too crazy with blush either, just because I also don't want to look like a clown. I sometimes use the sponge for this, and then sometimes I just blend out with my fingers, just whatever I feel like at the time, I guess. But either one works. I'm taking the NYX Wonder Stick again, and this time I am using the highlighter side. I'm also kind of new to highlighter, but I really have been loving this. I just think highlighter looks so good. I just apply some to my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, And that's pretty much it. Those are the only two spots I apply highlighter. I absolutely love liquid eyeshadows or cream eyeshadows, so I am going to be using this e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow. It's absolutely gorgeous. All you have to do is just like one swipe and then blend it out. And it's just so easy to apply. It takes way less time than just like a regular powdered eyeshadow. I just love them so much. I did forget one thing actually. I do like to highlight the corners of my eyes. Just makes it look like I'm more awake, and I just really like the look of it. I don't curl my lashes every day just because I feel like it's kind of bad on them. I feel like they fall out more often if I do curl them every day. But since I'm filming the video, I will curl them today. Next, I use the Essence Lash Primer. And then pretty much right after applying the primer, I apply my mascara. I don't really let the primer dry. So I use the Sky High Maybelline mascara, and it's definitely one of my favorites. I like to move the brush back and forth a little bit as well, and I try to focus on the outer area more than the inner area. I also don't go all the way to my waterline because my eyes are kind of sensitive. I am going to be using the e.l.f. brow gel. I saw this tip on TikTok where you just brush in the direction of the hairs and then you go backwards like this. And then after that you just put them wherever you want them to be. So I usually kind of brush diagonally. I'm going to do my lips now, so I'm just going to wipe off the lip oil I put on at the beginning of the video. I have this Pucker Up lip liner pencil, that Muse brand, so I'm just going to apply that. And I overline just a little bit, but not too much. And then I do like to blend it out onto my lips a little bit. I'm going to use this lipstick. It's the AOA brand from Shop Miss A. I have this Wet n Wild setting powder, and I don't always use this everywhere, especially if I don't want like a fully matte look. So just wherever I don't want to shine, so like my chin and under my eyes. Finally, the Milani setting spray. It also smells really good, kind of like flowers. And we are all done with this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps me out so much. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you in my next one. Bye!